Dobar dan. Dobar dan, kako ste? Hvala što ste došli. Ja sam došla kad sam bila 10 godina. Da. Hvala puno. Dobro. Bili smo bolje. Jedan blok dolar. Da. Sve moj muž. Da, Amerikanci, ovaj Chris. Sve. I da, imamo dva dečaka.
This is a people in this community. Everyone feels lucky.
Bili smo na 5 lokacija, danas smo se finding jedan Nelson location, prije sedmice.
The first time I saw him was actually at Pacifik Park when we were 9 years old.
Pa bili ste doma kad ste videli ove?
Da, ja imam naša kuća na ovoj strani. Kad je počeo rat na ovoj strani, on je bio bosan kući. Kaže, idi gore na balkon da vidiš. Ja sam nazvala prvenstvo.
That's where people need help. Listen, this is a community that has a lot of resources, but it's also a very multi-generational community with people that don't have the resources to go back. And I think that a lot of people feel that we've been kind of abandoned and let down by local leadership. The fire department's been amazing, but they need more resources. And in order for us to go back, we need better infrastructure. We need to make sure this will never happen again. Yeah. We're going to need small businesses. We're going to need, frankly, we're going to need help from you guys.
No, my God, look at our little house.
I know. Speaking the language on the child.
I saw the comfort.
I know, it's everything.
I saw the comfort in your face.
So sad.
Yeah. Please
Like
help.
we thought, she comes here and build a life in the house and family.
This is my second
From
time.
nothing and building up and become successful, and then suddenly she has nothing done.
So we